Triple Chocolate. If you're new to this channel, I'm Seren.
I'm Selma. And I'm Celine.
Today we're going to be unboxing KiwiCo.
KiwiCo is a monthly subscription service that offers kids educational projects, crafts, and activities on different themes.
So I'm going to be unboxing the gimbal plane from September. And I will be unboxing paper circuits from October.
And I'll be unboxing the Drift motorcycle from November 2020.
So what I made is a gimbal plane. A gimbal is a device that keeps things steady. They provide the smoothness needed for space ships and even movies about space or ships. Did you know some powerful telescopes are too sensitive for humans to touch? Even the vibration from a heartbeat will knock them out of focus. That's why these telescopes are mounted on stabilized platforms using gimbals and adjusted only through machines. I had so much fun tinkering until the moment when it did not work. I asked my sister for help. We reviewed the steps on KiwiCo's posted video, and it seems that I did everything correctly. A little longer than a few painful minutes later. Finally, we figured I placed the battery in the wrong direction. My project is paper circuits. Have you ever rubbed a balloon on your hair to make it stand on end? Or gotten zapped by a doorknob after scuffing your feet along a carpet? If so, you've experienced a type of electricity called static electricity. A circuit is a complete path around which electricity can flow. I made an electric circuit using copper tape. With copper tape, it's easy to build circuits on paper. I really like this project, and I had so much help from my sister. And these lights are so great, I wish I could use them as night lights. My project is Drift motorcycle. Sideways skid that a vehicle makes through a turn is called drifting. Helping my sisters and making my own drift motorcycle was challenging, but it was also fun. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.